What up, though, everybody? It's your boy OctoberDuncan.Crypto. Today, I wanted to take a look at Solana Art.io. And I just wanted to do this video, just kind of like a little poke around video. We want to take a look inside the site. Um, you've seen some of my previous videos, or more so had like a topic where it's kind of showing you like how to connect your wallet or how to get your Solana ready so you can start purchasing NFTs. This video is more so just kind of poking around, seeing what projects are out here. At this point, I'm expecting that you probably know kind of what's going on. You know how to get your wallet all connected and get it added with funds. So we were just going. This is the main page of SolanaArt.io, and we're just gonna take a look around, see what we see what we like, what we don't like. Um, Daily sales 2,800. Total sales 456,000. Daily volume 11,000. So let's see. Let's get in here and see what's going on. And click on the three lines in the left hand corner and hit all collections. So you see the top collections in 7 days. So let's start with the number one, Shadowy Super Coder, and it's 11.5 thousand Solana. Let's see what's up with that. So first thing I'm really taking note of is when I see uh, how many owners versus how many items. So what I would do is probably double check the website, but I see that there's only 104 of these and 63 people own them already. It's just a short supply of the shadowy super coders. Let's look at these. Let's click on one. So it's owned by somebody right now, and they got obviously it's so the monitor number two. It's radium. That's rare. I don't know. So they got different things that make these rare. I don't know what the story behind them is. Um, we can see that the floor price is 34 Solana, so that's the cheapest you can get one for. And you can see if we were to hit price low to high, 34 Solana, that's the cheapest one you can get the system. Um, you can hit this button in the middle. It says latest sale, so we can kind of see what people have been buying them for. They've been buying for 32. Somebody bought one for 32, 32, 37. Somebody what's over 37? Oh, okay, the white girl with the dog on the screen. Okay. All right. So this is interesting. I'm not really into this one particularly, but you got in the upper right hand corner, just before I go off of this one to another project, you can see that they got the Twitter logo, so you can go follow their Twitter, Discord, so you can follow their Discord. I'm not gonna go to it. And then in the right hand corner, do it's usually their website. So you can see that so on your supercoder dial is not found. Shadow supercoder, you might be available. Click here to learn. Yeah, so I don't know about this project. It looks like something they got going on, but let's go back and see what else they got out here. While you do that, go ahead and you see what's popular. I'm gonna go ahead and this is some wedding cake I got from my neighbor, so I'm gonna go ahead and light up just the morning. Gotta do in the morning. Get inspired. Mm. Okay, so next I see Nylon Heroes. Let's look at that. Some cats. It looks like with like a crown and some hats and stuff like that. Nothing I would be interested in. Um, Prices for Solana is a little bit more affordable if you were looking to get into the NFT market. For Solana is way better than 35. So let's see if they got a website at least. Oh, they do. Okay, so jump into your giant robot and save the cats. So these cats are like these are okay, the decorated cats and then inside of a robot and then yeah, alpha art. Move on to the next milestone. Yeah, this is probably for somebody. I'm not oh, it's a game attached to it. You can battle your cats, your fun cats. Um, you win battles and quests. You earn some tokens. You upgrade your hero. I'm skimming. I'm skimming, y'all. Y'all can, if you want to go into it, you can definitely go in and do your own research. I encourage everybody to do their own research. Don't listen to me. I'm just a dude on YouTube. Um, Reassemble and customize, staking rewards. Okay. See, that's gonna be the best part of this game's coming that you're gonna actually earn with them. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be big. I'm not into this right here, but to each his own. I encourage you to go get the funny cats. But let's see what the sales is. What they've been buying for. Oh my. Oh my. 90 Solana? God damn. Okay. Yeah, this stuff is, playing around the floor, closer to the floor price, but 90, you know what I'm saying? Somebody made a little big ticket item, but I mean, but you got 6.2, so I mean, I guess they moving, I guess, So let's go back. Let's see what else they got. In my other video, if you seen, I had the degenerate apes, um, which is cool. They look kind of cool, but I feel like I feel like with it gives me any kind of ape project after, Bored Ape Yacht Club is kind of to me kind of like blah. So even like the bad thing, I got seen like baby mutant apes or something like that. It's kind of was getting weird now. They probably got a site, I'm sure, with these kind of graphics. So, oh yeah, so welcome. Okay, so this is probably the best one. Password. This looks quality. Enrollment fee, minimum student number 10,000. Utility roadmap. They got a little roadmap. Oh, okay, they got free click. This looks user friendly. I would say if you were, I'm just from off. I'm probably not gonna get anything right now, but my guess is to look at it. I mean, it's 1,200 of them and 798 of them already gone. They got a roadmap. I do your own research. The floor price I think just flicked on me. Let's see what the latest sales are looking like. So the floor is 30 with 37.99. And we've got sales going for 37 round floor price, 59, 44. So a little bit above floor. So I would, this might be something to be involved in. It might be the next yacht club, what I'm saying? Not that, don't, you ain't hear it from me, but, let's see what else they got. Um, this one I've been hearing about this Babalexes, I ain't gonna lie, they kind of look cool to me. A little, and the floor price is low. This is something I probably will be getting involved in is these. And I don't know why, they just look kind of cool. The little elephants are weird, and I don't know. I like them. So I think I'm probably going to, you might see me with a Babel soon, and I'll let you guys know when I get one. Um, let's see, the floor is 4, but you see them trading at around, oh, they got a little Super Saiyan one at, 10, 8, 11. I might be getting involved in some 30. Okay, yeah, I might have to go ahead and after this video, or maybe I'll make a video recording me, buying my, I don't know. I like some of these. Let's look into it a little bit. They got some interesting. Nothing. I would kind of want something like a little New York one is cool. I like the Naruto. The Naruto one's kind of dope. I don't know. I have to look through it more. Oh, look at the one with the little bandana. Oh, he's only 7. I don't know. I might be dropping this. If you heard it here, I might be dropping a Babelix soon. Let's look at the website. Click. It's not clicking. Okay, well I'm trying to click it, but it's not. I guess it's not going. So maybe just the website's acting funny. Everything else is working. Filters. Yeah. Mm. Let's sort them priced high by. Oh, the highest thing you can buy is the is a ticket, and I guess the ticket entitled. Oh wow, look at these. They got a you got that's the dude from Dragon Ball Z. The what's his name? Damn, Boo. Yeah, you got Boo looking one. I like these. Oh, you got a little Gohan or Goku. Iron Man. Oh, they get doper. Okay, so they get doper as you go up. So that's good to know that they get kind of cooler. So the website's not working, but I would go check out the Babelexes. That's probably what I'll be checking out. And I mean, Soul Punks is probably just a knock, it's, like Crypto Punks, but on Solana. So I mean, yeah, kind of can expect those same kind of graphics. It's kind of I don't expect it to. That's what the floor price is so low, 6.7, 11, okay, 8, 13. So they're trading them, but I don't know. I feel like the original is the original. We should just try to keep being original with this new stuff. Um, so those are a couple of the collections. Those are three of them. Scrolling down just randomly on the page, bothered otters. These otters are bothered. Let me see. Go low. So it's cheap. You get a golden ticket. Price is cheap, 0.57 Solana. I don't even know what this project is. You definitely need to do your own research because I don't even know what this is and why these others are so damn bothered. But you need to find out. Let's click on the website. And then popping up on the website, I don't know, y'all. You might want to check it out or not. And bothered ass otters. You got tough cats, more cats, uh, Neopets, Rowdy Rex. Okay, he's starting at 53. Say bye gang. I don't know if I like it. Mob monkeys. Huh. What are these monkeys doing? Starting at 3 Solana, maybe I get a mob monkey. So maybe the monkeys is a combination of like the Solana, the solo punks and the like crypto punks off of Ethereum, mixed in with the ape club, ape yacht club stuff. Might be the next wave. I'm looking at Babelex and I might look at because I'm in a lower priced NFT market. I'm not trying to spend no crazy money on something. I might be trying to catch them on the come up. Uh, I might be looking at the mild monkeys. I got to go back and do my own research and now I got to find out myself. But it's only 3 monkeys done traded in a while. I'm gonna have to do my own research and find out for you. Website's not clicking. I think something's going on with the website. So that's a couple projects, man. I would definitely get on here and do, what I'm saying? Just poke around, look around is good too. I mean, we could go in here all day. I don't want to waste everybody's time, but you got baby Yetis. Let's click on the baby Yetis. Oh, 0.19 is not cheap. This is really probably the cheapest project we've come across. So let's go into this. The baby Yetis is 0.19. Cheap salon. Cheap. So you can get into but do your own research. Make sure it's not a rug pull, because you ain't about to put that on me. They're trading around the floor price too. I don't really know the story and why they I don't know what's the story behind it, but we have to look into it more. So this is just another project. It's cheap. We didn't see some more expensive ones. We didn't see some mid-range ones that I like, and then we've seen some. They weren't even rich. Those were in the lower to mid-range, and then now you got like real cheap projects. So do your research and look around, and then if you find something, you can go to my other video. You can see how to connect your wallet and everything like that. Go ahead and buy you something, man. Get something nice. You better get it now because when the market starts popping, when GameStop and Loop Ring start doing their, releases and talking all that jazz, it's gonna be something to see.